Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today with a haul video and something really special I want to share with you at the end. So let's get started. So I did some shopping on American Crafts warehouse sale, like everyone else. Also, I went purchased something from a small business, and then a purchase off of Amazon. So let's go. So I ordered these flowers from COPPA Clay here on YouTube, as well as I think she's on, I'm not sure, but I know she's on YouTube. And so I wanted to order some flowers from her. I see everyone using her flowers and they always look so adorable. So look at this sweet little gift she gave me for free. This little paper clip with the little flowers on the top, and this is so pretty and neatly made. I'm very impressed. But this is what I ordered. So it's just this wheel of flowers, and I think this was called, I want to say, oh, I thought I wrote it down because I wanted to tell you all. But anyway, it's not spring florals, but it's something else. I'm sorry. And it has all these little adorable flowers all over. It is so cute. So, and they're really soft colors. I just can't imagine the patience needed to do this. I think I could do this, but I don't know if I could do this many. And look at these yellow ones. Aren't those beautiful? They're all pretty. And they got orange and turquoise and a green. And then I think it's one with a floral print paper for the flowers. And then one of the sections holds some little leaves. So this is simply adorable. I'm not sure how I'm going to utilize these. Hopefully on some cards and, you know, get them a little tucky flower here or there. But these are adorable. So thank you so much, COPPA Clay. And, or Tay. I keep saying the name wrong. COPPA Clay. Oh, it's Clay. Flower Shop. So I'm sure you guys seen others haul into things from her. And then I made a purchase on the American Crafts sale, like everybody else. And these stickers are called Green and Holly. And these are so pretty in person. I'm thinking about placing another order, and I want to include another set of these, even though there's a lot of initials in here. Alphabets, rather. I just really like this a lot. These are so pretty. So I got that. And then I got the Heidi Swap reinforced stickers. I know you've seen these because I've seen them myself. Got this paper pad from Jen Hadfield called Groovy Darling. This is 36 pages, and it does have some copper foil included in some of the designs. Now this set, I have purchased some of the ephemera at Joann, you know, a year or so ago. And I didn't get the paper pad. They didn't have it, I don't think, at the time, but at my local Joann. So, but let me take a quick, let you see a quick look at this paper pad. Man, this paper pad is so me. I'm a 60s baby, so all the flower power I can get. I wasn't a big skater. I was scary. I didn't skate much. I did, but not a lot. But look at this paper pad. It is adorable. I am so glad I got this. Look at this with the copper. Can you see the copper in there? I may have to order another one of these if they still have it. I don't want the 12 by 12, but I prefer the 6 by 8. So that's that. Let me put this over here. And then from Maggie Holmes, I know you've seen it. It's these little ephemera stickers, enamel stickers, and then the puffy stickers, which I'll probably use in my planner. Maybe some of the little bit bows on a card, but most likely this will be used in my planner. And then I got the Forever Field 12 by 12 48 sheets, and this is really pretty. I really like this. Let me share with you. I know you've seen it, but hey, let me jump on the bandwagon. In bows for days, and those color combinations are so pretty. I really like the colors. This is kind of almost like a fallish color paper pad, but you can use it at any time. Oops. Well, I missed some of them. super pretty, and it has strawberries, you know, fruit are so popular. Yet again this year, I think. I just saw some oranges that were on a stamp set that I just loved. So once again, this is Forever Fields by Maggie Holmes. Now, I also purchased the project pad. So I've never purchased a project pad before, and I didn't really know what it included. So I'm going to share with you. It has the stickers, which are adorable. This is why I initially wanted the project pad. And these cute alphas and some washi strips down here are strips. But what I come to find out is that some of the pages, while they're the same that's in the main paper pad, in this project pad, they are foiled. So this is one of the pages I highlighted. This page is foiled, whereas it isn't in the paper pad. And this is foiled. Look at this pretty color. So beautiful. And then this one is foiled versus the regular 12 by 12. And then the other ones are just pages that are in the 12 by 12. But then you also get some kind of a little bit of watercolored or blended looking solids. I have a lot of solid paper, but this goes with the paper pad. So these colors will match for sure. And they're kind of like I say, watercolory. Is that a word? I don't know. So that's the Forever Field project pad. Now, I also picked up some of my favorite paper. So they do carry the basil paper. I used to get this at Joann all the time, and you could get, like, at one point it was $2 for 10 sheets, and then it went up to $3 for 10 sheets, which was still a good deal. Well, this wasn't the good deal that I used to get. So this is a basil pack of 25 Raven, and I just needed some black paper, and I saw that they carried it, so I went ahead and picked this up. So you do have the option of getting basil paper at American Crafts. So let me share with you the exciting part of my haul. So I was watching Scrappy Wife here on YouTube, and she was sharing a new way that she stored her dies. And I was like, that is pretty cool. I may want to try that. So what I did was ordered the same book that she shared. So it's this book. It's this little puffy book. And she showed how she put all her dies in it, and how she had bought multiple of these because I think she was changing all her dies into this book. Well, I didn't really want to change all my dies. I wasn't sure what I was going to do. But then once I got the book, I got excited because I could put just a certain type of die in here. And that was my, what are these called? Layered dies. So all of these are spellbinders. And I was able to include them all. Let me get the little band off of them. All of them in one little book. And this way, I can have this near my desk and use these more often, because sometimes I forget to even reach for them when I'm making a card. I'm just going so fast and along, and before I know it, the card is done, and I'm like, oh man, I should have used the notch corner frames. That would have looked cute, but then, you know, it's too late. So I think having this near me, especially in a color that is not in my craft room at all, I'll notice it more. So I have all the Spellbinder layering dies. So all of these dies here are in there. So I don't have to mess with the packaging, and you know how they don't stick and how they do stick, or how this packaging tears up, or putting them in the other packages. Sometimes you use the heavy duty envelopes. So I was so excited to have this. I thought, hey, I'll order another one to go with the other type of brand dies that I have that are layering dies. And of course, it was sold out. Now, the other color options for this particular brand, they don't look like this. They're not puffy and have this sticker. They look totally different, and I didn't like those. So I thought, well, I'll try another brand. So I did. So I have to tell you how funny this was for me. So I got it in the mail. Here it is. I chose white. And I thought that this was like a paper in the packaging that told what it was. So when I pulled it out of the plastic packaging, I was surprised that this was actually on the actual little book. And I just laughed because I wouldn't have ordered that with this on here like that. And it's also on the spine. Well, then I thought about it. I went online and I was just like, you know, you shouldn't be late night shopping anyway. And that's what you get. But I could send it back or I could keep it. And I'm still on the fence as to whether or not this is going to bug me. And I could cover it. But this, if it was different font, I would like it better if it was pretty. But it's just different. What do you guys think? But it does the same thing. It has the envelope or the little sleeves, and then it has the magnetic sheets. And I think it's 12. Yeah, 12. And so these would be just other brands of layer dies that I have. So let me know what you think. Should I wait to see if this purple is going to come back in stock? Or should I just go ahead and use this one and just chalk it up as super funny that I thought this was just some kind of paper covering that I was going to be able to remove? Let me know what you think below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and just let you know, I am so excited that I'm at 1,000 subscribers. I hit that last Saturday night. I hit 1,000, and I was very pleased and happy about that. So thank you all who are my current subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, come on aboard and join the fun. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.